Hello, in front of me I have Motorola One Macro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, just swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu, and here let's tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, scroll all the way down and select the system. Here select languages and input, and then tap on languages. Now we need to add another language to change it, so let's tap on add a language. Find the language you want to use. For example, let's select Deutsch, and here let's select the region, for example, Deutschland. Now we need to move the Deutsch above English on this list, and to do it, just press and hold on this icon on the right side and drag it to the top of the list. And as you can see, the language changed. And to change it back to English, you just drag it to the top of the list like that. You can also remove the languages from the list, and to do it, just tap the more options icon right here. Select remove, select the language you want to remove, and tap the bin icon at the top, and tap OK to confirm. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.